Hello everybody and welcome to our second session of reading the book A Home for Ted with the author Danny Waddell. Okay, so A Home for Ted, A Home for Ted. So we're going to read it again today, thinking about what we learnt about yesterday. So the first thing that I want to remind us of is our vocabulary from yesterday. So here's our vocabulary. So the first one that we thought about was sand, and we find this on the beach. The second one was the word home, and we said the home is where we live. And then we spoke about the word made. So when you use the word made, it's when you've already made something. So for example, I made some chocolate cake and gave it to my friend. So I've already made it. If I'm going to make chocolate cake, I would say I'm going to make some chocolate cake soon, okay? The other word we had was sticks. So they're parts of the tree or branches that fall. And then the last one we had was the word down. So everyone point down for me. So down was our other vocabulary word. Okay. Right, so we're just going to read it again. Off we go. A Home for Ted. In this story, Ted. Cat made a home of sand. It fell down. Cat made a home of sticks. It fell down. Cat made a home of card. It fell down. Cat made a home of bricks. It stayed up, and she's cheering like this. Yeah! Can you cheer at home? Oh, yeah! Okay, super. So she's very happy that she managed to make the home for her Ted. Right, so now we're going to play activity 2. Let's have a look. Just going to put my name, Miss Jackson. Off we go. So we can see the arrow here, and it's pointing to the teddy bear. Let's have a look and read the words. Cat, home, Ted. Will it be cat, home, or Ted? The answer is Ted. That's the teddy bear's name. Okay, now we can see the arrow is pointing to the house. Let's have a look. Card, bricks, and sand. Will it be card, bricks, or sand? The answer is bricks. Okay, now we can see we've got the arrow and it's pointing to this person. So will the answer be Ted, cat, or sticks? And the answer is cat. Well done. Super. So now that we've finished reading it, we're just going to have a look at some more questions. So, who was Cat building a home for? The answer is Ted, her teddy bear. Let's look at the next question. What happened to the home of sand? Can you remember? The home of sand had the rain fall on it and then it dissolved, it fell down, didn't it? Okay, so the rain destroyed the home of sand. Right, next question. Which home was just right? So which home was just right? What was the best home for Ted? It was the home made of bricks, wasn't it? Because all the other houses fell down and the home of bricks stayed up, and Kat went, yeah. Okay. Did you like the story? Why or why not? So have a think. Did you like the story? Why or why not? You can tell me. Type it in a message on your Dojos or Classcraft to tell me if you liked the story and why you did or didn't like it. I liked the story because I really like teddy bears, and I found it quite interesting to see which homes would stay up and which would fall down. And also it reminded me a little bit of another story that I like, The Three Little Pigs. So they're all the reasons why I liked the story. And finally, can you try to build a home out of something in your house? So maybe you've got a teddy bear or a toy that you'd like to build a home for. Maybe you could try to build a home out of different things in your house. You might not have the things that Kat had, but you could be creative. Maybe you've got some pillows you could build a home out of. Maybe you've got some paper you could make a home out of. I wonder if they'd stay up as well if you took them outside in your garden. I don't know. So that's a task that I'm setting for you. And if you've built a home, you can take a picture of it for me. That would be amazing too. Okay, thanks so much for listening. Thank you for joining me today as well.